here a new toy. We bought this from Toy Kingdom. This is called shape matching. Look at this. I'm gonna play with Kuya Ryan. Say hi, Kuya Ryan.
Hi guys.
Whoa! Also the shakes.
We will show you how to play it.
We will take the cards at the top to match it.
Here.
And whoever finishes, it will tap the bell and win.
Yeah.
Ready? Go!
Go.
You have to follow the color, Ryan. What color nung hexagon? It's color yellow.
Tapos ang triangle. Sige, tama. Sige, mauuwi na. Yes, sila.
Sabay lang sila.
Dalawang red na square?
Hindi. Ay, oo, dalawang red na square. O, ibang kulay na lang, piliin mo. Kahit anong kulay.
This? And the winner!
Okay. Nauna si Kuya. ZK, is it the same? Yellow hexagon. Red na square. Circle na green. Yellow na square. Hexagon na blue. Hexagon na red. Triangle red. And dahil hindi isa lang naman yung square na red, we need to just choose whatever square there is.
The winner! If I win, I will play again. Now I will play with Sydney. Say hi, Ate Sydney. Hi.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah!
Ready? Oh, here's the new shape. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Go!
Okay lang si Tito
Hmm.
doon. Ginagalan niya.
Sige, very good.
Woo!
Oh, Ate Sydney win! Let's see.
Try again! I need to try again! I need to
Wait
try
lang.
again! Tama lahat.
Red, circle.
I win! I'm sad. I lose. I'm sad. But it's okay. It's not that bad. Remember, kids, losing is not bad. What's important is we had fun.
Thank you guys for watching.
See you in our next vlog.